Hi students, this is my second video on algebraic expressions. In this video, mainly I am going to explain about conversion of the given statements into algebraic expressions. Again, conversion of expressions into statements. Okay. Before going to the topic, we will discuss something about first video. In the first video, I explained mainly some important points: constants, variables, terms, expressions. You have to know very well about this because our topic is algebraic expressions. You know what are algebraic expressions? Algebraic expressions are combinations of constants and variables that are connected by using arithmetic operations, either addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Okay, so you have to know very well about constants and variables. See, what are constants? These are the numbers, fixed values: 1, 2, 3, 20, 100, minus 15, 3 by 5, like that. Any numbers you can take here. These all are fixed values, known values. Everybody know what is 100. 100 books, 100 chocolates, 100 students, 100 trees. That means 100 is the fixed value. It is the known value. These known quantities are taken from numbers. These numbers are said to be constants. Okay. Next, variables. What are variables? Variable means unknown values. See, these are not fixed values. Generally, we are taking from English alphabets. We can take A, B, C, P, Q, X, Y, Z, something like that. See, what is A? We don't know that value. Unknown value it is. Okay? Not a fixed value, that one. We can consider sometimes A, 100 rupees, 15 rupees, sometimes it is 20 kilometer, 15 centimeter. Whatever it may be, depending upon the problem, we can consider A for any value. Okay? It is not a fixed value. Unknown quantity it is. So, we can take from English alphabet letters, these variables. So, our algebraic expressions are combinations of constants and variables. Now, next part is terms. Terms means what? See, these numbers are generally numerals. These are said to be numerical terms. Each number is different term. Here, these are letters. Okay, literal terms we can say. These are literal terms. Each letter is separate term. Now, these terms, two types: numerical term, literal term. Numerical terms are the terms that are made from numbers, and literal terms are the terms that are made by using letters. Okay. Now, expressions. Again, here numerical expressions and also algebraic expressions. What are numerical expressions? See, if in the expressions only all the terms are only from numbers. Okay. See, suppose 3 plus 15 minus 20 by 7. See, here we have taken 1, 2, 3 terms are there. 1, 2, 3 terms. Terms are separated by using either plus symbol or minus symbol. Remember that one. Not by division symbol or multiplication symbol. If division is there and suppose multiplication symbol into 8 also I am keeping here. See, this everything is the single term. Terms are not separated by division symbol or multiplication symbol. They are separated by using only plus symbol or minus symbol. So, here we are using only numbers. Such terms are said to be numerical expressions. Okay, 1, 2, 3 terms. 3 terms here from numbers only. Okay, from numerals only. They are said to be numerical expressions. Now, what are algebraic expressions? Suppose if we take from literal terms, I am taking like that. See, 2a plus b. We don't know what is a, what is b. These are literal terms. Now, x minus 15. These are said to be algebraic expressions. Why these are algebraic expressions means we are combining both constants and variables. Okay, terms are made by using constants and variables. They are said to be algebraic expressions. So now we will discuss about statements and expressions, how to convert both. Okay.
Hi friends, the first statement is x is added to 5. Added symbol means plus. X plus 5. X plus 5 expression is. Next statement is 10 is subtracted from y. from y. So we can write y first. Minus 10 is subtracted. Minus 10. Next statement is m is multiplied by 6. Multiplied symbol means into. M into 6 is 6m. Next statement is x is divided by 3. Divided symbol means by. X by 3. Next, 2 more than p. More means add means plus, so more means also plus. 2 plus p plus p. Next, x is reduced by 4. Reduced symbol means minus. X minus 4. Next, 15 times of z. Times means into. 15 into z is 15z. Is 15z. The next statement is 1/4 of n. 1/4 into n. 1/4 into n. Okay. Now friends, see. The first statement is 5 is added to 3 times z. 3 times z is 3 into z is 3z. And next, 5 is added to is plus 5. Plus 5. Expression is 3z plus 5. And next statement is 9 times n is added to 10. 9 times n is 9 into n is 9n. Next, added to 10 plus 10. Okay. And next, 16 is subtracted from 2 times of y. 2 times y is 2 into y means 2y. 2y. And next 16 is subtracted. 2y minus 16. And the next statement is x is added to 10 times of y. 10 times of y is 10 into y is 10y. Is 10y. And next, x is added 10y plus x. 10y plus x. And next, 1/4 of product of p and q. Product of p and q is p into q. Is pq. pq. And 1/4 is pq by 4. And next, last problem is y multiplied by 10 and added to 30. Y multiplied by 10 is y into 10 is 10y. 10y. And next, added to 13. 10y plus 13. Okay. Friends, all these are called algebraic expressions. Here, first expression is what? X plus 20. X plus 20. How can we write x plus 20 in statement? Say, 20 is added to x or x is added to 20 or 20 is more than x. Now I will write 20 is added to x. What? 20 is added to x. Added to x. Next, 5q. 5q. 5 is multiplied by q or q is multiplied by 5 or 5 times of q. Now I will write 5 times of q. How can we write 3y minus 1 in statements? See, 1 is subtracted from 3 times of y, or 3 times of y is reduced by 1. Now I will write 1 is subtracted from 3 times of y. See, 1 is subtracted from 3 times of y. 3 times of y. Next, 10p plus 13. 13 is added to 10 times of p, or 10 times of p is added to 13. See, I will write 10 times of p is added to 13. What? 10 times of p. 10 times of p is added to 13. See, next, 5 into t minus 11. 11 is subtracted from t and the difference is multiplied by 5. See, I write 11 is subtracted from t and difference is multiplied by 5. Difference is multiplied by 5. Next, x plus 3 by 4. X added to 3 and sum is divided by 4. What? X is added to 3 and the sum is divided by 4. Divided by 4. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share, comment and also subscribe this channel.